Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I am going to discuss about Windows sound system. So in the taskbar you can see this icon in here. Right click on it. You can see the several options. After right click, open sound settings, open volume mixture, Windows Sonic for headphones, sounds and troubleshoot sounds problem. First I am going to open sound setting. In setting, you can see our output 20 output device. There has 3 output device, speaker, Realtek and speaker 3. The master volume, you can also adjust this up and down like this. And in input, you can see my microphone. If you have any problem, you can troubleshoot. Simply click on troubleshoot. Now I'm going to close this and I'm going to open another one. Open volume mixture. Here you can also adjust your sound up and down your sound like this, or you can customize your sound like this. Now you can see this option, Windows Sonic for headphone. If you want to use headphone, then simply click on this, or if you don't, then click on off. Then go to sounds. In sound you can see playback, recording sounds and communications. In playback you can see my device type. 3 USB consider microphone, Realtek. We can set it default. Or you can change this property from here. Or you can see this property, change this icon from here. And you can see the levels. Or if you want to enable this, you can enable this from here. And click on apply. Then go to recording. You can see my microphone. And in sound, you can see all of this. Or you can also change the sound like this. I'm happy with default one. And go to communication. You can see if you get any notification, it will be reduce the volume of other sound by 80%. The troubleshoot sounds problem. If you have any problem, then you can troubleshoot your sound. If you don't get any sound in your PC, then you need to install driver in your PC with matching your motherboard. Now I'm going to open settings from here and go to device. In device, you can see my audio. I can easily remove this audio from here or microphone from here. I'm going to close this. Now if you have any problem, then you can tell Windows what is your problem. We need to sign into contact support. But I don't have any problem, that's why I'm going to close this. So in this way you can adjust your audio and setting your audio. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel.